of us getting into value-added dairy.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for being here on what promises to be an important day for PepsiCo and an important day for the value-added dairy segment in this country. Okay, I want to talk to you about 4 things in the next 5 minutes. Okay, and I want to label them H, N, I, and D. H stands for health, N for nutrition, I for innovation, and D for digital. Okay, and all 4 of them are linked as you go through this evening. Okay, health, nutrition, innovation, and digital. All 4 of them are linked. Okay. If you look at India today, one of the most important things which is changing in India is food habits. How many of you skipped breakfast this morning? How many of you skipped breakfast this morning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's a fair number. Today we see about 25% of Indians skipping their breakfast because they believe that breakfast is a huge ritual. They need to prepare a lot of things and it takes time. And they are always on the go. They are in a rush to get somewhere or do something. So one of the things which is a challenge to all companies, especially in food and beverage, and it's an opportunity equally, is to say, how do we give Indians a good, healthy, nutritious breakfast which they can make in 3 minutes or in 5 minutes? Okay? That is the opportunity when you find so many people skipping breakfast in India. So we have 2 great brands in the nutrition space. One is Tropicana, one is Quaker. So if you look at Tropicana, it's a juice brand, and we've done a lot with Tropicana over the last 1 year. Tons of innovation in the area of Indian juices like Mosambi, etc. And we've also introduced a fruit and vegetable product, which is 1 portion fruit, 1 portion veggie, which gives you absolutely great taste, but equally important, great health. So that's something we've done. But we are here today to talk about Quaker. Quaker is an absolutely gem of a brand. It's a very old brand. It's a brand with more than 100 years of history. It was born in 1877. In 1922, a 20-minute cooking process moved to fast cooking modes, which was 5 minutes. And under Quaker, we've launched a range of Indian breakfasts. Idli, poha, khichdi, etc. from 3 minutes to 12 minutes preparation. So we have a range of products which are tailored for the time-starved Indian consumer today. The last part, digital. One of the things we notice in digital is truly a consumer playground. Consumers own digital, consumers post on digital, consumers generate content on digital, and consumers trust the word of their friends on digital. One of the big shifts we are seeing in digital is a move from celebrity status to what we call source of authority. So to earn trust, consumers in the digital world are saying, I want sources of authority. And some of the work we've done in PepsiCo, we've got Vikas Khanna, a Michelin star chef, who endorses Quaker. He's a source of authority. We've got P.V. Sindhu, a huge source of authority for a brand called Gatorade. And today we'll have another source of authority for the product that we're going to launch today. Okay? So we will discuss dairy today. If you look at the total nutrition market, it's about $21 to $23 billion, of which dairy, milk, which is the holy grail, is about $13 billion, and value-added dairy, a subsegment of that, is about $1 billion. It's a very big opportunity, and an opportunity which will grow at very high double-digit rate over the next 5 years. We have great aspirations for this segment, and it's my pleasure to invite Deepika Warrior, somebody who has had immense experience in PepsiCo across many brands, in beverages and foods, and now in the nutrition space. She will talk to us about the new launch today, and I really want to thank you again for being here, and I'm sure that we'll have a wonderful day unveiling this spectacular product with a spectacular source of product. Okay. Deepika, all yours.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for taking the effort of coming all the way in Mumbai traffic to join us for the unveiling of this new launch. I'll keep this very short because I know you're all waiting for the real meat to the program. Let me just quickly recap what Shiv said. So this launch is a critical part of what we call our performance with purpose agenda on PepsiCo, which is all about increasing, not only taking out perceived baddies in our core fun for you, much loved products and brands, but also about adding positive nutrition to the lives of Indian consumers. And already, as Shiv mentioned, so far in 2017, this is the third of a series of launches that we've done. We started off with launching Tropicana Essentials fruit and veg juices, which add a serve of fruit and veg juice to the diet of every consumer. We followed it up with Quaker Nutri-Foods, which is all about taking India's well-loved breakfasts and adding 40 to 60% oats to it. And now I would say, the third and not at all the least in the series is Quaker Oats Plus Milk, that we're launching to you today, which actually is all about bringing the goodness of dairy, but actually enriching it even further with what we call fiber advantage. And a little bit more about that. So again, just to very quickly recap what Shiv said, two absolute power brands in the nutrition space, which probably you don't know as well as brands like iconic brands like Pepsi and Lay's in our core portfolio. But both these brands, Tropicana and Quaker, are very, very seasoned, established brands. Just to give you a sense, Quaker is a 140-year-old brand. Both run into billions of dollars globally, and we're really ambitious about growing these out in the nutrition space in India. Currently, I think you're all aware of our range of products, and I don't want to spend too much time there. Very briefly touching on some of the consumer insights that have led to the development of this launch. So we know that consumers are leading, all of you including, are leading very rushed lifestyles. Everyone's looking at more and more do-it-yourself or DIY options. The mornings are very, very important. All of us want to start a day right, and the healthy morning is very, very important because as the day progresses, you kind of lose control over your diet. We are all aware that India is the nutrition deficiency capital of the world, unfortunately. We are deficient both in macronutrients as well as micronutrients, and Indian consumers are increasingly becoming health conscious and are expecting brands to meet their needs in terms of targeted nutrition. So what are we talking about today? When you think of milk, of health in India, this is kind of a word cloud that we pick out on social media. So, you hear natural, nutritious, minerals, vitamins, wholesome, love, all these words come out. But I think the big word that stands out is milk. And I think Shiv used some very powerful phrases. For Indians, and all of us have grown up, believing this, milk is a holy grail of nutrition in India. So you can't be a serious nutrition player in India without having to play in dairy. At the same time, as I mentioned, there's an evolving consumer landscape. So, we tap into two insights. One is, of course, what I touched upon earlier, which is consumers are looking for nutrition, convenience, and taste. We also find this, even within that, this segment of young, what we call, first jobbers or late college goers, but also very, very ambitious. It's almost like if you take the metaphor of sports, these are people who want to go out and win every day in their careers. They want to every day have little wins, which then add up to a very successful career going forward. So, this whole combination of high ambition, lack of time, I think is a very rich space for brands then to go and meet the needs of these consumers. So within that, ladies and gentlemen, we're very proud to launch what we call is truly a one-of-a-kind product. We're pioneering a category that we call the grain dairy beverage category. But just a bit more about this. So, why is this a grain dairy beverage? It's because it brings together for the first time the goodness of oats. It's made with real milk, which we know is important for Indians. It needs more than 15% of the calcium RDA that Indian requires, and it also comes with fiber advantage for the first time in a dairy product or a beverage product. How are we able to deliver this as PepsiCo? It's because we have developed a patented technology. It's a global breakthrough for us, for PepsiCo R&D, that we call Solu-Oats. It's a patented Solu-Oats technology, which allows us to capture the goodness of oats, but provide it in a soluble format in a beverage. We're launching this in essentially two flavor variants, which is mango and almond, and in a 30 rupee price point for a 180 ml lecture. In doing so, we're also addressing all consumer needs in terms of providing locally popular flavors. I mentioned almond and mango. It's a good balance between taste and nutrition, and it's convenient and affordable. But I think the moment that you've all been waiting for, I think what we're really, really proud about is to also unveil a partnership like none before. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not, Pepsi is known for its endorsements, but this is not an endorsement. It's truly a partnership. It's two minds, both passionate about nutrition, coming together to co-create what hopefully is just the first of a series of nutrition innovations that we're launching for the Indian consumer. So this particular range is actually being co-created by none other than our much loved and trusted icon, Sachin Tendulkar. And at this point in time, I'll just take a pause and request to play an AV, which I think will bring back a lot of our memories